Would anybody like to take a wild guess why this didn't go mainstream? Would you like to take a wild guess? This channel is about What is the dealio, Fokios? I am Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man. Welcome to my channel, Modern Renaissance Man. Thank you all for tuning in. If you are someone that has been following my channel for a while, double check to make sure that you are subscribed. I know I talk fast, just what I do to get it out the way. But if you have been following my channel just for a little bit and you're filling it out, go to my playlist on my channel. When you go to my channel, click on the word playlist. It's going to bring up a bunch of different topics on it. You get to see all the wonderful things I do on this channel, right? Do that before you subscribe so you can get an idea of what I am about. All right, folks, so this right here is big news right here. Yes, I know, folks. Ah, my God. And this is crazy because it hits home. Hits home. It hits home. It hits home. Yes, it does. Lisa Holder White, sworn in as the first black woman Illinois Supreme Court Justice. We have a black woman in Illinois, Lisa Holder White is sworn in as the first black woman in Illinois Supreme Court Justice. Reason why this hit home, because she's from my town. She's literally a native of Decatur, Illinois. Okay? Springfield Justice Lisa Holder White, a Decatur native, was sworn in as the newest member of the Illinois Supreme Court on Thursday, making her the first black woman to serve on the state's high court. Now, before y'all start jumping, what are you saying about J.T. Brown? You asked him to say no, because nobody in Illinois here said the next person that's going to be in here on the Supreme Court is going to be a black woman. They didn't do all that, did they? No, she had to earn this. So this right here says she was sworn in on today, Thursday, making her the first black woman to serve on the state's high court. Holder White took the oath during a special session of the court held in the Theater of Abraham Lincoln Presidential Museum in Springfield, Illinois, witnessed by countless family members, friends, and colleagues. She replaces Justice Rita Garman, 78, who announced plans to retire in May after more than 2 decades on the state's high court as the longest serving active judge in Illinois. Soon after Holder White was designated Garman's successor, Illinois' high court is unique among state Supreme Court in the sitting justices fill vacancies to high court. Speaking to the assembled crowd, Holder White made known that the barrier-breaking milestones was not lost on her. She says, "My heritage is a heritage that once involved minds and bodies that were shackled and doors that were so long closed." Holder White also said, "You see, taking my oath in this place today goes far beyond a personal professional achievement. As I see it, taking my oath in this place today recognizes the undeniable value and merit of what I, as a black woman, mother, daughter, sister, wife, and jurist, have to contribute to the work of our state's highest court," she said. Holder White added that her ascendance, I'm sorry, I got thrown off by something else. She said about her ascendance to the high court is in her words, a testimony to the notion that as women and people of color, we need not limit our dreams or settle for less. Okay, end of quotes. It's just the latest step in a remarkable rise for Holder White, 54. After only 8 years as an attorney, first in the Macon County State's Attorney's Office, that's in the Decatur area, if y'all don't know this. And, you know, Holder White was appointed as associate judge in Macon County in 2001, the first black person in that role, killing it. Holder White was also appointed circuit judge in 2008 and subsequently elected to that role. In 2014, Garman tapped her to be the justice on the 4th District Court again and first black person in that role. She's pioneering it out there. She would later win the election to that role. She won the election to that role, elected to that role. When it came time to find a Supreme Court justice, Garman said that, in that quote, "While it was a tough choice, it was a clear choice. She stands out when you are around her," Garman said. "And also, I knew she would be capable of doing all kinds of really outstanding things." Thomas Little, a Macon County Circuit Court judge who attended Holder White's swearing in, agreed, saying, She just checks every single box that you could possibly want in a judge. Not saying we picked her because she's a woman. Not saying we picked her because she's black. Any of that. Not picked her because, no. They said she just checks every single box that you would want in a judge. Not what you want in a woman. Not what you want in somebody black. Not what you want in a black woman. Little said, I mean, she's smart. a hard worker. She gets along well with people. She has common sense. Wow, I didn't know you suffer. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to meet you one day. I have to meet you one day. If you're from the D-Town, I have to meet you one day because you suffer from CS2. I didn't know that. Just everything you would want in a Supreme Court judge. She has it all. Family and friends were at the center of Thursday's ceremony. Holder, daughter-in-law, and son performed the national anthem with former singing and latter on the piano. And just if you want to know, folks, because all already was trying to attack this woman already, I bet her husband is no. Her kids is black. They black. They black like me. Just as black as I am. They black. Trying to go there, aren't y'all? Like y'all trying to say, oh, Tar, I bet your wife is white and your children. Yeah, okay. What is that supposed to mean anyway? Huh? Yeah, okay. The Reverend C.D. Stewart Antioch Missionary Baptist Church in Decatur gave the invocation, and among the speakers was Will County Circuit Court Judge Vincent Cornelius, who is the cousin of Holder White's husband. Okay? Holder White's husband, 2 children. It says Holder White's husband, 2 children, parents, sisters, and other family members attended. Among the high-profile political attendees include Attorney General Kwame Roll, a Deputy Governor Andy Manor, Senate President Don Harmon, and Illinois Republican Party Chair Don Tracy. Uh-oh! I think that gave it away, didn't we? I think that gave it away right there. Why this is not going in Illinois? Why shouldn't this get some type of national attention? Shouldn't it? I mean, shouldn't it? We got the first Latina Congress lady elected, right? Did that not just happen down there? Huh? Did it not just happen? Why isn't this one getting the attention? Why isn't this one getting all the cap, huh? Why? Like Garmin, Holder White is a Republican. Uh-oh. Boom. That did it right there. Everything just exploded. This is the reason why you're not hearing about this on mainstream media, because she happens to be a woman. Oh, like Kajiti Brown. She happens to be black. Oh, like Kajiti Brown. She happens to be Republican. Oh, never mind. Nothing to see here, folks. I know. She plans to stand for election to a full 10-year term in 2024. Congratulations to this lady right here. I'm so glad to hear this. Now, I had no hate on Kajiti Brown. I just hated the fact that we already knew who was going to be elected in there. They already said we're going to elect a black woman to be in the Supreme Court. That's the issue I had. Kajiti Brown, she might be super smart, intelligent. She don't know what a woman is, but I mean, still, because she's not a biologist. So anyhow, I want to give some love there because I'm just telling y'all, you do not get a lot of love from Decatur. It's just, Decatur, I'm hating. I'm just telling the truth. You don't get a lot of love from Decatur. I'm up for a Hall of Fame award that's going to be coming this fall in Decatur, Illinois. Yes, your boy is up for a Hall of Fame award that's going to be in Illinois. Of course, I'm going to take y'all on the ride for that, but I'm telling you, there is no love in Decatur. There is no love and support in Decatur. So I want to make sure I'm not going to carry that on. I definitely won't. Anybody that's doing things like this in Decatur, Illinois, Chi-Town, whatever like that, I'm going to definitely give praises to that. So shout out to Lisa Holder White, sworn in as the first black woman Illinois Supreme Court Justice. Kudos to you for that, sister. And I hope I'll be able to meet you one day. I'm sure I am, because there's going to be some paths that we're definitely going to be crossing and some things that we're going to be speaking on. And I hope I am able to run into you and congratulate you personally. Shout out to her, y'all. Shout out to the family. I know that's a huge inspiration to many people, many women, many men. Man, this is Decatur, baby Chicago. Huge there, man. This is huge, man. This should have been something that whenever this happened, I wish that it was announced all over Macon County for people to show up. Not saying she didn't get a lot of love, but I'm telling you, they should have, Milliken, y'all definitely should have had this, something like this. I hope she has something that's going to carry on like an extra party or something like that, because I'm invited. I'm inviting myself. Anyway, y'all, I just want to put that out there. We know why this is not making mainstream media. Maybe I jumped the gun. Maybe it is, but I don't see it right now because she turned out to be the R word. Refused. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, let me know what y'all think of this. D-Town, I know y'all are not going to have nothing to say on this. I didn't change it because all she doing just tap dancing for the world. What is she? If I'm an Uncle Tom, what is she? Uncle Tamila? Not Uncle Tom, but not Uncle Tamila, but is she Aunt Tamila? Is that what it is? Aunt Tamika? If I'm an Uncle Tom, then she going to be Aunt Tamika now. Anyway, y'all, let me know what y'all think of this. This is pretty neat right here. Like I said, no hate at Kajiti Brown. I just hate the fact that how she was elected to that position. Plain and simple. This woman right here, based off what I read, she earned it. She earned it. Not saying Kajiti didn't, but I'm saying they said they chose her because she was everything that checked off the box when it came to what a judge should be. Not saying Kajiti Brown is not, but when you already put the narrative out there, when you already put the rhetoric out there, when you already discriminate and saying the only person that's going to get this position is going to be a black woman, then that became the issue for me. So anyway, folks, let me know what y'all think about this. Big kudos to her. Again, I could not give you more praises on that. That is awesome, sis. I love hearing that news. Now we're going to see what she's going to do with this, because I cannot wait to hear about certain things that happen within the state of Illinois when it comes to certain things. We're going to see how conservative you are, sister. We're going to hold you up to that. I don't care what color you are. I'm talking about those values. We're going to see about that. I am Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man. Don't forget to hit that like button down there, folks. Click that like button right there. Click it right now. Click it right now. Click, 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 so it can be circulated within the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget, you guys all have phones. Look in your contacts. Who can you share this with? Some of you guys made comments to me and say you show your liberal friends my videos and they just go completely mad. I would invite you to have them come onto these lives where I will be able to invite them. I would talk to them openly in the open chat. I might just have a chat that I might start that just says liberals only or something like that, or Democrats only, something like that, just so we can talk. Just so we can talk, all right? All right, folks, I'm getting ready to get out of here. I am Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man, hoping and praying that every last one of you guys have food, shelter, and clothing, and most of all, I hope and pray that every last one of you guys are in great health, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. God bless you all through Jesus. What's going on, everybody? So, hey, check this out. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to view these videos. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also right here is where you can catch the next video, the latest video that I've done. But like right up here, this is stuff that I've done kind of in the past. So in this area, you might find a video that I've done in the past. It can be funny, it can be something serious. It does not matter. But this is something that you can also do to check out more material that I do in my channel, because I do a lot in this channel, all right? So again, appreciate everything from you guys. Keep on watching it, keep on supporting it, and God bless you all.